You swim. Shana, you can't talk to me. I get me tie.
Well, yeah, I don't want to be sad.
He told me nice.
You only should have fat.
He doesn't say he did it my way. Some did it my way. I know things go out of this over there. Why we have a classmate funeral, but I'm not lying. I'm a wonderful.
It's about Vanessa, rest in peace, but then we have a people here.
Watch your 360.
What are you doing in the rain?
Bend over. Let me see what you're on the back of. Vanessa funeral, classmate funeral. I'm all 5 Cambridge High School team. The team won't drink and piss up like a puppy.
Puppy, hold it! Trouble there!
Puppy piss up already? There's a puppy drink and piss up.
Same close me now. Yo, Bobby.
I'm a classmate of them.
When I see the harm, I'm going to
You did that we have.
Rum bunny up.
Yes, I.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, then 2 years for marriage soon, yeah. Chat.
Oh, they don't catch it time.
Cambridge High School student. Why don't you see this on YouTube? No, we never school. Thank God, me and my logo, guys. Me in there, and she advertise. See, McNabb no go to school, McNabb school class. You don't notice how she full of argument and I say, be out of that thing. Yeah. That's why she not on church. She out of the unruly one. And here, so she couldn't learn in a class. Stubborn. Mama stubborn from when I go to school in a real life. You get catch by the camera now, so I don't know boy I hide and feel sad. Oh, please, who else?
Me walk. She got to tell you what Kayan say. Kayan must say she reach a one.
This is my sister here, guys. You know what's going on? Oh, whoa. New all 5 baby right this time. And that's time we are going to shell down. So last night I want pack.
If we're in Bantan, you're going to Skype and Bantan, the travel.
You soon come on. You soon come. You not come back yet. Remember still.
here, I have to move.
Hold on, yo.
I have some business today, though. I can't
Come
come
here,
here.
number.
Alright.
You wash a girl.
Yeah, man.
You laugh till the belly bone.
Make sure.
Take your number there at the same time.
Me the African, you see me Africans, I'm African. Me couldn't make this miss me, yo.
I'm afraid that group will hear more.
Alright.
Yo, boy, I brought up. I'm feeling up myself. Yo, every time feel up myself, man, brother.
What's
How about the fist then? How about the fist round us up? Tell the man to tap back in fist. Oh, listen.
Yo, Nick, get your man, see man, we key there.
Where?
I bent him and driving him.
Where?
What's your man doing, man? Look at that, yo.
Over church.
Yo, what's your man bent still? Yo, that's right. Yeah.
Watch the Garvey there.
Yeah, show himself.
Everybody that drive from my newborn. So,
What baby name? Why father name? They look like your father. The connection that I make, you know. The one that I make, you know. And this Spanish baby can last there, so they look pretty.
woman don't know her baby father name, I can't bother. Anybody? Anyone who see them shot there? Blue, yellow, 05.
Who are camera?
Come chain, I'm ready.
I put your man on a video.
58. They drop. Hurry up, they drop.
Hold on, let me catch a slow motion.
They drop.
Yeah. Yeah.
The road.
No, I'm going.
Get your baby fever.
Oh, are you? Okay.
Shake off any shirt? Just so.
Yes, sir. Tajake, you see when me ask Poochie if he see how far we come, and then me say, but me no remember see how we carry. A Sherry come see now, and he shot flying at me head, and me want ask you what the shot was. Me turn idiot.
You better turn back and tell back the shot. You hear Biggie? Baby to the daddy.
Well, yeah, I don't want to be side. I can't walk
Your invitation is valid. You don't understand your invitation. What's shit this? No, I'll go by, we'll go by.
I'm not reading the drink. Why you quiet so pussy? Mila.
Cheers to you,
I don't get catch.
Ryan.
You are not still missing. One graduation day when you graduate. Say right now, fuck.
Because the next one graduate.
Hello, the students here.
Hey, Magnum.
She did.
I saw one old man come here, so. Yeah, man, now about this in the classmate.
Magnum.
Can't you buy another one? If none of them want to buy
Graduation day.
Piss up.
Me.
He might ask you something, Matnab. He said when you went the graduation day.
No. Tell the Lord. Say the right. No, you were dictating. No, you was dictating. Dictating is good enough. Yeah.
I did it more.
He does something did it my way. Somebody did it my way.
Yeah. That's why you not graduate. You not graduate, you dictate by the graduate.
Enough things cut out of this over there.
Remember the two tallest man in our school, him and Ocean.
Everywhere past.
Cashman tall too.
What going Fraser?
She never get $1 million. She never get $1 million.
What going the summer? What going? Yeah, yeah. Wow, we have classmates in our but I'm not lying, we are wonderful.
It's about Vanessa, rest in peace, but then we have to keep
let me catch Piggy all off yard, Mama. Right, let's go.
Come on, Lorraine.
We're not touching 360. Watch out, 360.
What are you doing in the rain?
Bend over. Let me see what you're doing.
I go for when you're Irene. Don't make me find out what's up. If you come up from this, she send food and file food.
Back up, man.
We just focusing a while ago, you know. That's why we look so. How we are bad.
I want thing Pippy.
I'll take a picture now.
Juju, babe.
What's here? Never see a darling. Represent baby.
Yeah? We never know we are going good.
That means we're going good.
That means we don't go good. Church of some so dead. Because we never know that we're going good. Church of some. Yeah. All right. Me never see. You don't want to hear Ocean, more see puppy tongue.
The man say.
Fucking at that. Feel him, mama. How big it is? Stop your blood clot. A potty. A potty down there.
Call me fuck you. Call me fuck you. Call me fuck you.
Feel it, potty. Let me feel it. Clot. Let me really rub, let me touch it on his cock. Eat up your lazy bumbo, yo. She get a feel. Touch it chin again. Touch it chin. Touch it chin. When you touch it chin, you see? Oh, I'm going to touch it chin. See it again. Me say so. Fly out there, touch it. Tell me what now. Touch it chin again.
You make you man and find a weak spot for man. You make you man and find a weak spot.
No, chain him up, chain him.
Pop in a reach in your chin, cat nasty. Touch him no more.
Till 5 hours.
Touch the baby. No, you have to touch top chin. Top chin. Oh, wanna take it for your son now, Shayna?
No, you can't go this way. You can't go this way. You can't go this way. Who that back ground? Wait a go. Come this way, we're going this way. Go, sir. No. This is Come on. Step across there.
Wait, drop in.
We are taking time with him, let him go.
We not let her go.
Put them properly.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to use the machine. Because everything is until we get the machine.
Vanessa down there, no? Down there.
Okay, she will show up.
I said to me not to touch
You
it.
don't say you can swim.
Black yourself. Don't show me cool.
Don't sexy up. Touch him, mama.
Hey, only part more puppy on the van.
Yes. You only should have fat.
You know, look, my way. She didn't like it.